am Ananya Banerjee, and keeping the food trends in mind, I have got a fusion recipe for you. Thandai Panna Cotta. Panna Cotta is an Italian dessert. I have given an Indian twist to it. Panna Cotta basically is cooked cream. The cream goes inside the pan, sugar goes inside the cream, saffron gives that typical Indian flavor and color. Now the cream is cooked. I'll soak some gelatin. You can opt for agar-agar powder, which is a vegetarian substitute of gelatin. This gelatin will be totally dissolved in water first, and see the consistency, it's more grainy. I need to microwave the gelatin for a minute till it is translucent in nature. It is all dissolved now, ready to use. I'll take 2 ramekin molds. Here comes the Indian twist. I'll set it up with some ready to use Thandai concentrate. So now this can set for a while. Let the cream mixture cool down a bit. I'll add the gelatin to it. Gelatin actually will bind the panna cotta and make it jelly-like, wobbly-like, pudding-like. I'll just put it in the ramekin mold slowly. Cover this with aluminium foil. So this goes in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours. Just insert a toothpick and go around it so that it leaves the side of the ramekin mold. You can just have it like this, but I'll prefer demolding it. When do you know your panna cotta is perfect? So shake, shake, shake. It has a wobble. Once it's wobbly, you know it's perfect, moist and right to dig in. I'll add a little more of rose syrup, some pista and almond slivers to garnish. My Thandai rose panna cotta is ready for you. If you like this video of this Thandai panna cotta, do like, comment, share and subscribe.